Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about the derivative of inverse functions. So now I want to show you how to answer. The formula of this one that should be like this. So we know that this is about the inverse function. If we look carefully about this function over there. Now, if I put about s equals to number 1, f of number 1, so we put number 1 going here and here. So we calculate this one and we have number 3. So because this is about 1-to-1 function, so that means f of number 1 equals to number 3. So the inverse function of number 3 equals to number 1. Now for this one, so we put 8 equals to number 3. That means this one equals to number 1. And now we need to find first derivative f of s. So this one we have 1 over number 2 with the square root of s. The next one we have 2s. And now we can put number 1 going here. So we can calculate this one and we have 2 over 5. This is the end. Thank you for watching.